Hi, I'm Dr. Luke Bucci, and welcome to HealthView. So what's HealthView, you might be asking? Well, I guess the best way to describe it is it's a series of short video visits where I'll be discussing health and nutrition issues a lot of us encounter in our daily and, let's face it, pretty hectic lives. That's my area of expertise, and since 1995, I've worked closely with Shift Nutrition to develop products and practices that people like you and I can really use to benefit our busy days and nights. So today, we'll be looking at some easy ways you can change things up a little. And I know you'll feel better if you try some of them. Okay, let's get started. The topic for this month is men's health. And being a male Homo sapiens, that qualifies me to comment on men's health. And yes, I do take these supplements too, so that further qualifies me. But we're going to talk about three things. One is saw palmetto, the premier herb for prostate health, and then Shift's product called Prostate Health, which combines saw palmetto with other prostate-friendly nutrients. And last but not least, DHEA, which I'll tell you why is extremely important for the prostate, especially as men age. So first I want to discuss saw palmetto because that's a standalone product called saw palmetto from Shift, as well as a major component of Shift's prostate health product. Saw palmetto is an American shrub. I think we've all seen them or seen pictures of them. It grows naturally in southeastern United States. And it makes berries that have been food for indigenous peoples for centuries. And it turns out that there is a complex mixture of all kinds of good, healthy nutrients in saw palmetto berries. Yes, they're standardized to essential fatty acids, but there's other things in there that I think are helping improve and maintain prostate health. And saw palmetto extract has had numerous human clinical studies that shows that it does help maintain prostate health, especially as men age. So it is the premier nutrient if you're a man over 40 or over 50 and you're concerned about your prostate. One advantage that Shift has in its choice of saw palmetto is that we use an extract that has more of the non-fatty acid components of saw palmetto, so you get the full spectrum of what saw palmetto berries have. And that is what I think makes this product a little bit better for men than something that's even maybe too refined and focused. So we've tried to make sure that the saw palmetto used is the best possible one to protect and preserve prostate health. Now, Shift Prostate Health combines some very important nutrients that have been shown again to maintain a healthy prostate. One is lycopene, which is the red carotenoid compound found in watermelon and in tomatoes. And lycopene has a special affinity for the prostate, and being a good antioxidant and a controller of cell-to-cell communications, actually, it turns out that that's very beneficial for prostate health. We also have the minerals that the prostate needs the most, which are zinc and selenium. Deficiencies of those minerals are associated with poorer prostate health. Therefore, we have enough in there to make sure that you're getting the right amount for your prostate. And the zinc is balanced with copper so that there's no chance of having an imbalance of any minerals. One interesting thing about zinc is that it actually is there in high concentrations in the prostate. There's more zinc per pound of prostate than any other tissue. So obviously that means it has very important roles. And you want to make sure you maintain enough zinc in your prostate. Another secret ingredient, if you will, is calcium D-glucarate. And this is a little compound that your body normally makes, but it helps protect your body from hormones that it doesn't like. So it helps you remove unwanted compounds as well as excess hormones too. And that's also very important for prostate health. So this is a mixture that you really won't find anywhere else. It has the essential nutrients that are the most important for your prostate and all combined in amounts that are shown to help improve and maintain prostate health during aging. Now, on to DHEA for men's health. when we talk about men's health, there's a lot of focus on the prostate. And DHEA certainly has a role to play there, but I'll explain in a little bit why it has a bigger role than just the prostate. Interestingly, as men age, DHEA levels go down, but testosterone levels don't really go downhill with aging very much. Not usually, not normally. And more importantly, and less better known, is that the tissue levels of testosterone and the tissue levels of estrogen in men really do not go down much with aging. So what you're seeing is an imbalance between DHEA and the more potent steroid hormones like testosterone and estrogen and their normal metabolites that are formed in the prostate. When you have high DHEA levels, DHEA gets in the way of these other hormones and makes sure that they don't get out of control. And when you have less DHEA, those normal hormones are more active than when you were younger. So that's why keeping DHEA levels in normal ranges is important for prostate health. It kind of leashes in and controls all those other unruly hormones that make men men. Also, DHEA is very important for men's cardiovascular health. Study after study after study show that if your DHEA level gets lower and lower, your heart health suffers. Again, the men with the higher DHEA levels have better heart health throughout a lifetime. They actually live longer, and that's been documented in several studies now, that men with higher DHEA levels actually live longer, healthier lives. That's enough for me to take DHEA every day, and so far so good. So that is, I think, the most important message about DHEA and men's health. Live longer, live healthier, and what else is there? Well, that wraps up this segment, but hopefully it's just the beginning for you, because when you try out some of these tips, I think it'll be the start of a healthy and strong approach to living. And what's great is none of us have to do this alone. For more information about any of the products I've talked about today, simply use the product search toolbar at the top of this page, because, hey, we can all use a little help. Till next time, I'm Dr. Luke with HealthView. Here's to your health.